Welcome back, guys, to Sub-Zero 747. Today we're going to do an SVE wheel unboxing. I have been talking about this on my Instagram channel, Sub-Zero 747. Here we go. Let's take a good look at these. I already did all the hard work and got most of this stuff unpacked. Made it a little bit easier because LMR really takes good care when they're shipping. These are going to be your 17-inch 10.5 deep dish wheels. Super great quality. Look at those. Look at those. Gloss black, beautiful wheels. Definitely really clean. Can't wait to get these installed in the car. We're going to be running some SSR Mickey Thompsons for the rear, 305 45/17s. And for the front, these are not deep dish. These are the 9-inch SVEs. Stuck in the box there, sorry about that. 0304 gloss black Cobra wheels. Man, nothing better in my opinion. I just love these wheels to death. Super, super clean, not even that heavy. It's gonna be great. I did go with the 245 45/17s in tires for the front. Not a bad choice at all. They have great pattern. Definitely going to be really good for Oklahoma roads. There are a lot of potholes everywhere, so 1,200 horsepower. Front tires might come up off the ground a few times, so I didn't want to break any rims or anything, so I decided to go with these for the time being. The car does leave to SK Performance on the 14th of this month to get all the goodies in the previous videos that I mentioned. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to get the car back. And definitely start taking people to Applebee's, hopefully. It's going to be very interesting to see where we're at and get her on down to HPP Dyno. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.